just draw the plus sign. So I can see this line over here. I will move this one just a little bit up here, so I can see this distance, and this one is getting bigger. So I will go here and I will make it almost same size. And from here I will do double lines. And this is a rough sketch to get the idea. Now from here I will go side of this one, and slowly by slowly I will pull, not immediately like this, slowly by slowly. Same thing I will do here. If you want to try any design or lines, go ahead and make it curvy lines like a smiley face. So this is my guideline. I will, from here, you can go a little bit here or here, that's totally fine. I will draw one squarey rectangular shape, and so this is just a little bit slightly tilted. From this I can draw one line, and this line, make it I'm doing dark, but try to draw light. So this one in the almost half, you can see, and this one is going all the way, kind of like a smiley face, and up here. Now from here, this one I will start from here, and I will go a little bit up and then down slightly, so you can see the gap here slightly. So here, and I will curve the way this one is curving all the way over here, and then I will go towards this line. Now from here, this corner, this one we will leave. From here I will do slowly by slowly going in over here, and this is the one. So I will start from here, and slowly by slowly I will go, and I will come here. So this is the bowl line, and this is the fruit line over here. Let's erase everything from inside. And over here, so this part is bigger and this one is skinnier. Same thing, skinnier and little bit thicker. So I can see I went little bit down here. Instead of that, I will try to go kind of like straight here or angled. Over here I will draw one line, and here kind of like rhombus style, but not perfect rhombus. We will, when we are going to shade it, we will change this one a little bit, and it will go here. Now next to this one, so this is the guideline where the plus sign is going on. So this is, you can see here they are touching each other. So I will start from here, and most probably I will go here, and if this one is coming here, most probably it will come here. More closer, So a little bit idea. For me it looks more long, so let me do here a little bit. So this is the shape I want over here, and one next to this one here. So if it's coming here, it will go here. Or maybe I can start from here. This is the shadow line. So when I'm doing it, I will go up here and slightly down and then up. And one I'm going to do here. So don't draw one rectangle. Instead of that, try to draw small lines like this one, then going this, a little bit, going this, coming here, like that. Same thing.